This is my MG6 and well, it doesn't sound that good. Take a listen. Yes, I know, it sounds like a disabled vacuum cleaner, so we need to add more growl to that. Having only passed my test like a month ago, and this being my first car, I think we shouldn't go too loud, so let's only go muffler delete. On this 1.8 litre turbo engine, trust me, it's gonna sound amazing, especially with that turbo flutter. And well, it's finally that time, and I'm here to modify the exhaust of my MG6 at TGH Customs in Hayes, and well, PJ's the man who's gonna do it.
How long have you been driving for?
Give or take a month.
So you don't want to go all out, you don't want to go crazy loud, you don't want to get stopped by police. So let's go baby steps at a time. So I think we should go for a back box delete.
All right, sounds good.
In terms of the end piece, the tailpipes, what are you thinking? Single, twin, 5-inch?
I was thinking single, but I don't think it'd look that good there because of how wide the current one is.
Yeah, absolutely.
So I think twin is the way.
Yeah, definitely. So we've got quite a few tailpipes to choose from. Okay, we've narrowed it down to these bad boys here.
So PJ showed me a couple tips, and well, I picked the ones that I really liked. What about these?
That is one of my favorite.
Well, now it's time to actually go ahead and do the muffler delete. So let's get on with it.
I can't hear nothing, mate. Need to get on the ramp here and give it some TGH treatment.
So guys, yes, it's finally that time. PJ's gonna go and take off the black box from the MG6, or the muffler as some people call it. So he's just checking out the underside right now, and then he went straight for it. He started cutting it off, and well, I gotta tell you, it was a pain. All that rust built up after those 11 years this car's been on, it's just very long. So yeah, after that came off, the actual clips were holding the actual muffler in there for quite a bit. And then finally it came out, and it was time to scuff and then angle grind the actual pipe so he could weld onto the new pipe. But while he was doing that, we took a break and he showed us his Mark III Golf, which sounds absolutely insane. Take a look, guys. I want it that nice. I have to tell you guys, that Golf sounds way better in person than it does on camera. Anyway, so PJ got right back to business, straight away measuring which pipe to use, how long to use, it's just all that good stuff. And then he got one of his team members from TGH Customs to come and perfectly sort out the whole route for the pipe to make sure everything's snug and fits amazingly. Yes, at TGH Customs you get nothing but perfection. So yeah, they did the welds, they sorted everything out, and well, it's nearly done. I'm actually super excited. And now is the time for the reveal, and as you can see, I loved it completely. Just take a look.
Looks good, sounds insane. Next thing, possibly a decap. Make it pop and bang. That's it. What about yourself?
Thanks, man. I'm still trying to think about this. I can't believe we've done that. Now we have a really nice sounding MG6 as the first car, and I'm absolutely amazed by it. Like, I love flooring it, and I'm basically using way more petrol now. So yeah, guys, go subscribe, and I'll show you a full sound trip in a second. Please go subscribe, because I have a full build series coming out on this car soon, so stay tuned.